Production deferment. This is deferment of production. This is deferment of production only.
In fact, the production will be still continuously going.
What I think, I don't want again to challenge the hazard scenario, but the most consequence investigates from my point of view potential damage of the internal and potential of spec crude. Because I didn't have enough contact time between the stripping gas and the liquid over the days.
Correct.
Can we change that based on our analysis? Yeah.
No,
let's put it that way, right?
It will be potential overoperation inside the tower, potential internal damage, and potential of spec crude.
Potential damage, potential internal damage.
Potential internal damage due to uplift force. If it's not can withstand such condition. High uplift force.
And off spec.
Of spec route. Potential of spec route.
Correct. You're right. So, and to actually prevent potential. More response time we have, I think in this case we have more than 15-30 minutes, right? Because that's okay.
We don't, although we don't have any this trip here, but we don't need to say it will. Operator will have this time. That he need to immediately check it. So let's go prompt 5 to 15 or 0 to 5 may not be really that, but 5 to 15 should be okay, right, for this case.
And I'm putting notable only, notable.
Notable
is low.
Okay,
low. And notable and low versus rapid.
Rapid.
Will be P2.
No, rapid and low is P2.
Low and P2.
Rapid and low.
Yeah.
No, wait. Go back. Sorry, Chairman, go back to that. Rapid low is P3. Rapid low, P3. P3.
Yeah. Okay. Low is P3, yes.
But I think it's not correct.
It's up spec only. It's not immediately.
So of course, this is not immediate. I mean, it is not going to impact you because the process is very slow, and it will not impact the major loss, and there is no HSC concern. Probably as you have offset gas for time being, it is not for full time, right?